Summarizing, making something that's long short. So first, when you're summarizing, you're going to read the whole text. And here's my whole text. So I have like a title: humans are pushing big cats out of their habitats. This, and then I have my text: this cat's population is steadily decreasing in the wild. In just 2 decades, populations decreased by 43%. And it's estimated that as few as 23,000 remain today. One of the main causes is at the alarming rate at which they are losing their habitats due to expanding human populations and the resulting growth of agriculture, settlements, and roads. That's a lot. But first, do you understand what you read? So stop and think about that. If you didn't understand it, find a different text to read, because you're not going to be able to summarize it if you don't understand. If you do understand, go line by line. So I'm going to start with this first line: humans are pushing big cats out of their habitats. And I'm going to put it in my own words, going pretty much word by word. So humans are people. People are pushing big cats out. People are taking big cats, and their habitats are their homes. So people are taking big cats' homes. Now I'm going to go to the next line. This cat's population is steadily decreasing in the wild. Well, what cat are we talking about? We're talking about lions. So the number of lions continues to go down, decrease, in the wild. Next line. In just 2 decades, populations decreased by 43%, and it's estimated that as few as 23,000 remain today. What's a decade? A decade is 10 years. So 2 decades would be 20 years. So in just 2 decades, in 20 years, populations decreased by 43%. The population has decreased by almost half, because 43% is almost 50%, and 50% is 1/2. Now I'm going to stop my sentence there, because this is a pretty long one, and I'm going to say there might be as few as 23,000 now. The last sentence, or the last part: one of the main causes is at the alarming rate at which they are losing their habitats due to expanding human populations and the resulting growth of agriculture, settlements, and roads. That's a lot. So one suggestion I have is, instead of trying to do the whole piece, break it up. And a good place to break it up is where you see some commas. Now, agriculture, settlements, and roads, that's a list. So you're not going to want to break that up. But I'm going to say one of the main causes is the alarming rate at which they are losing their habitats. I wonder if you can try summarizing that. The next part: due to expanding human populations and resulting growth of agriculture, settlements, and roads. Try summarizing that as well. And then when you're done, try for yourself. Go find some information online and try summarizing it, because you don't want to copy what you find. Good luck.